Hi and welcome to the 2025 Viezu Dyno Day. Now often when we do these days they mainly focus on Jaguars, but today we're doing Jaguars versus the rest of the world. I've come down to support the Viezu Day. We brought our Nissan GTR and so far we're doing pretty well. We've made, I think, about 987 horsepower. We put it in the high power map and it spanned the wheels, so I didn't think it wanted to make much more on the rollers. It's been a really good day. Happy to support the Shakespeare Hospice as well and Viezu. They always run a really good event.
Hi everyone, I just came to this Viezu's Dyno Day and it's going really amazing. Cars are amazing, the people are amazing.
I've been a customer of Viezu for 3 or 4 years now. Always been very happy with the mapping service, and the guys are very helpful, very knowledgeable. My car did very well on the dyno today, no turbo, no supercharger, and it's kicking out 520 horsepower. Considering the temperature today, that's a pretty good result, which I'm happy with.
If I'm looking hot and exhausted, that's because I probably am. It's been a roasting day here today in the Viezu workshop. We've had a fantastic dyno day. We've seen some amazing great figures, right up to almost 1,000 brake horsepower. We've had some beautiful customers with us today. We've had some great pizzas. It's been a really fun day. And most importantly, it was all for charity too. So I hope you enjoyed watching some of the cars, and as always, stay tuned.